friends. This is Miss Gilbertsen with a read along, and today I just want us to have fun with our read along. I'm not going to have you leave any answers in the comments. I'm just going to ask, let me know if you liked doing this read aloud with me. Tell me what you thought. Tell me what was your favorite part, something like that. But you don't have to think too much while we're doing it because today we are reading Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. I know you guys love this book. When you hear it on Epic, I know you guys are always singing aloud. You have a really good time with it, so I wanted to bring it to you. The thing that my class knows is that anytime Pete the Cat comes out, so does an instrument. But today, I didn't bring any of my instruments home. Say, oh no. I know. So I made one myself. This is my homemade maraca. It is just 2 cups with a little bit of rice inside, and then I duct taped it shut. It works just like my maraca at school. If you wanted to make one for yourself, that's all it takes. Just some rice, 2 cups, and some duct tape, some strong tape. So today, while I read, I will be trying to play my new maraca. Bear with me. Okay. Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Red! Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. He said, everything is cool. That's how I feel. All right, ready? Here we go. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh, no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn Pete's shoes? Blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song, and he's thinking, awesome. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. He's thinking groovy. Oh. Ready? I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown and all the blue and all the red were washed away. They were washed away. What color were his shoes again? White, but now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. He said, rock and roll, baby. Okay, wet, his wet shoes. Ready? I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. because it's all good. All right, that was Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes. Let me know in the comments if you had fun with this sing-along. Let me know if you want to do more. Okay,